This segment we're going to be reviewing the tools that came with your coder. First off, we have a pair of UV blockers. These are to be used whenever looking at the UV source from either the front of the machine or the rear. A pair of 6-inch pliers, needle nose pliers, are also included. These are used to replace tension springs on the machine. A reversible screwdriver is also included in the kit, obviously to remove screws. A spanner wrench, or crescent wrench as otherwise known, is used for leveling of the coder. A set of metric Allen keys for getting into tight places. These are also used on adjustments made to the rollers. A 6mm Allen key T-handle. This is used on the scraper blade assembly. A 5mm T-handle key, Allen key, is also used on the scraper assembly. A 4mm T-handle. This is used exclusively for adjustments to the roller assembly and also for the hold-down blocks on the roller. 2 spare pump tubes. These are used in the peristaltic pump, and they go inside the pump casing here. It's important to cut the tube to the proper length. So when replacing these, always measure the old tube to the new tube and cut accordingly. We also have scraper blades that are included with the kit. 2 of these come with each machine. Make sure that when handling these, you never touch the sharp side of the blade. It is razor sharp. Always wear gloves and or use a cloth to handle the blade. And finally, we have the keys to your new Ferrari. The keys are used to access any of the doors, electrical cabinet, and ballast compartment. That completes the toolkit supplied with your coder.